Okay. Is it recording? Yep. We in. We locked in. Maybe that might be too much. Yep. Meet you, baby. Going Masters Open all the way through. Slowly grazing, giving Dejan a low taper. I can knock this out in 2 minutes for real. 116 guard. Can y'all see? Boom. Using the corner to cut these off right here. I'm not too worried about the lineup on this side. Not yet. Until I get to the lineup. If I sound funny, it's because I got the face mask on right now. We're not cutting off anything on the top though, right?
Yeah.
For sure. Magnet. Going close. Same motion, get right here. Boom. Go ahead and get my gold effects. Who?
That's why I didn't put that on books yet. The DVD is going to be looking for that.
PPE, really?
Hell yeah! Finishing off the year with
They said that we could. They said we could. Why, you stopped your shit?
I still got like 3 bands left to get paid.
Man, I got 15 left.
Yeah, I got like 35 left or something like that.
Bruh, I told my job, stop putting that I work. Stop doing that shit.
Turn your booksy off?
Yeah, book me through what's the name? Through my phone number. My phone number on there.
Book me through my phone number. Why, PPE could do that?
Yes, bro, they can look up like shit like that, bro. That's the thing.
Hey, my CPA said that, like, a lot of times, maybe you would take, but like, taking taxes and shit, they're not gonna look into barbers, but when they look, they'll look. They'll go deep.
That's the IRS.
I really don't think I can shake them.
Revenue service. Nah, bro. You have it in the pot on the stove, man. You stick out like a sore thumb. You got a business.
Yeah. So I got to.
Me, I'm old, that's money. I'm a need, that's money.
Would you file yours as?
What do you mean?
LLC?
Yeah, LLC.
What, you canceled it, bro?
No, I didn't.
Man, if you don't get that money, Christmas coming up.
You feel me?
I was just gonna start on working.
Nah, hell no. Yeah.
You ain't working.
Nah, you tripping, bud. Go collect that, man. Go get that.
You need that. Bro, that's how I looked at it. When I got that shit, the first thing I said, that's blueprint for a year.
Yeah, damn near. You can just say that you haven't been working.
First thing I said, blueprint for a year. My girl's gonna say like, bro, you said, fuck I look like, bro. Y'all been listening, living good and shit.
Hella good.
And sitting grapes and eating steaks and shit. So let me know. I'm still, you know what I'm saying? Gotta pay total.
Picking grapes and eating steaks, boy. Gavin Newsom, though, ain't that? Boy. Did he? I believe it, bro. Doesn't he's like part owner of a vineyard, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like,
Eating grapes and eating lemon.
that nigga's eating too good.
Right by the only King stand over there in Rockland. Rockland in Granite Bay.
Oh, really?
You say you live where? I think Rockland in Granite Bay. You just bought a that shit like three. Stingy people never prosper, bro.
What's crazy though is his ex-wife is now dating.
I know, I was seeing that shit.
That's like the ultimate, like.
His ex-wife is dating Trump's son?
Yeah.
Trip, bruh. Hey, so San Francisco is ran by 4 families, bruh. Gavin Newsom and fuck, what's that broad name? They're related, bruh. Pelosi, yeah, they're related. Nigga, so I mean, Gavin Newsom finna run for president, bro. Like eventually, and he's gonna, yeah, we're fucked. Yeah, for sure, blood. Oh my god.
Why she say she felt like she was set up for that shit killed me. I was done with that bitch. That bitch said I was set up.
Who Pelosi?
He said, they need to give me an apology.
Nobody tells you, hey, come in here, let me cut your hair real quick.
With your weak ass grades.
Only one person in there getting the hair. What kind of stupid ass rule is that?
But your people's in the politics, so why would you get it? If a motherfucker did tell you that,
Exactly. Why would you even do it? Like, bitch, it's Frisco, it's San Francisco.
You should for sure know the rules, bro.
Like, out of everybody, yeah, she needs to know the rules. She for sure, blood. Tripping.
She did a good job. That was some good acting, though.
Hey, no lie though, if it wasn't for that, we probably wouldn't be open. So, like, we probably wouldn't be open right now. That was a big help for us, for our industry.
If a motherfucker did set her up, thank you.
Yeah, hell yeah. Well, D was telling me that salon got cashed out like $250,000.
No fucking way.
Yep. See?
Kagan,
I shoulda-
On the real, 100%, Kagan. If that happened to us and you got cashed out, would you give us at least 5 out of that shit?
Yeah. What?
I'm
Yeah.
guaranteed, bro.
For sure.
I heard.
Come on, bud.
Some of these shops, bro, that GoFundMe shit.
Yeah.
I heard somebody. We don't.
Yep.
I heard the motherfuckers didn't get their money, bro.
Nah, I believe it. I mean,
The majority of their clients is the ones who put that shit in, put money in.
yeah.
They shop on
Low key, that's kind of why I didn't want to do the GoFundMe, because I knew it would be like that. You know what I mean? Like, all y'all clients, even though, like,
I'm not
you know?
gonna put no shots because we on camera, but I'm not gonna put no shots on there.
Yeah, yeah.
And I heard a couple people like that. There was like they even to the point where they got so much money that they blurt out their GoFundMe. Like where you can't, you know how you can go GoFundMe and see what people is making the most money, but they blanked it out so that they wouldn't know how much money they really made. And I'm sure motherfuckers took that money and went and bought cars. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
And then go shoes and all that shit. And that's the reason why I told you what I told you, taking that shot that I sent you earlier.
Yeah.
That's the reason that the barber's left.
Yeah. Hell
That
yeah.
conversation just came up last week. Like motherfuckers just didn't get paid their money.
That makes sense.
And then, hey, you know what's funny though? Because when the first person I thought about was you when they was having a conversation. I'm like, yeah, that's not what that nigga is doing. You probably didn't want to be involved in that shit.
Hell no.
That's damn near a Ponzi scheme, bro.
Cause then I damn near would have I would have just told y'all like, hey man, it's not y'all money, bro. It's the shop's money. I would have told y'all that, or I would have had to explain to y'all like, hey man, like, you know, whatever anybody donates is going back to the shop. You know what I mean?
But you don't go buy no brand new.
Nah, hell nah.
2020 Hellcat.
You know what I mean? Sports package, bro.
Motherfucker got extreme clean leather seats and shit.
Like, all right, fuck it, bro. Let me just throw some beat in here too while I'm at it.
I got roots on this bitch.
You know what I mean? Come on, bro. Seat warmers? You really needed seat warmers,
And
bro?
to top it off, you put it in as a tax write-off.
You hella dumb. Oh, blood. Damn, I miss barbershop talk, man. Barbershop talk.
Because when I see this shit, bro, I'm like, oh, that's fucked up. That's all I think in my head. That's fucked up, bro. I'm so glad you didn't do that shit, bro. I'm I'm glad you got all your barbers had hustle, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah.
That's a blessing, bro. All your barbers had hustle.
Yeah.
Probably could have paid you food for him while we was off. I'm sure he was, bro. He was, doing his thing. He probably was doing his thing. We don't know. I think Gigi was doing her thing. Bello doing his thing.
Come on, bro. You should tell me.
What? We got a good group right here, blood. The new dude, bro. He's real quiet too, man. He's my age too, and he's quiet. So we gonna have to break him in. Yeah, boy.
Anytime I was having a bad day during this quarantine, I think about Justin telling me, listen to my mixtape, bro. My shit.
Why just called me this morning. He was like, "Hey, Rand, bro." I'm like, "What's up, bro? You good?" He goes, "Yeah. Hey, you think the nail salon next door is open?" Yeah. I was like, I don't know, maybe. And then I was like, "What, we doing a spa day?" I'm gonna damn near try to have a shop meeting though with everybody on either Tuesday, like either this weekend or this week or Tuesday, just to clear the air with like some shit that's going on. I can't believe some shots are closed.
Why?
Is
Open?
yeah, just no, but just saying closed like it like just closed permanently. There's a lot of businesses that close permanently.
A lot of gyms still ain't open because they said they can't make money off of half capacity.
No, yeah, they need full capacity.
Yeah. I was gonna ask you about this, dude, like City Sport. So all my money that I paid, yeah, I'm getting my shit back, right? Oh yeah, you should. You have to. Yeah. I know 24. I got a membership there. They're still charging me all these months. I mean, I'm gonna need that or I'm gonna need my fade. Whoever owned that shit.
Oh, I'm gonna need my fade.
You need to get critical over that, bro. That's about $400,
Oh, fuck.
bro. I was paying 50 at City for 60 or something like that. I'm gonna use that. Yeah.
I got a Genentech gym membership.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, they paused mine. I was like, hell yeah.
Clean in there, huh?
Yeah, Genentech's hella nice, bro. Genentech's hella nice. Hey, nobody in here got TikTok famous, but or what?
Started getting this hat from.
Huh?
What?
TikTok famous? Come on, bud. Somebody was supposed to be TikTok famous by now.
I got a bonnet that's TikTok famous.
For real?
Yeah.
Who?
Shit, he a shoe customizer.
He gets his haircut here?
Well, shit, he live in LA.
Y'all think you send him some shoes so they get it back to you on time?
Shit, bro. Should. But he be like customizing hella shoes, bro.
In the backyard? Is it the dude that do it for the NBA?
Huh?
He do it for the NBA players, that dude?
Take a look.
Shit, I wouldn't put it past him. He's done hella work for like rappers.
It's the dude that do it for the NBA players, that nigga's raw, bro. So, King, we gotta change this shit every day now?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, Don't ask me these hard questions when I'm recording. Them is some hard questions, brother. I'm Asian. I'm Asian, but I'm cheap. I tell you, just stretch that motherfucker out. Yeah.